holiday season invites warmth, nostalgia, and creativity into every corner of the home. In a world filled with store-bought decorations, handmade Christmas ornaments offer something uniquely personal. Crafting your own decor with natural materials not only brings authenticity but also allows your personality to shine through every pinecone, twig, and piece of dried citrus you hang on the tree. For this season, let's embrace the beauty of simplicity and celebrate creativity through handmade charm. Natural materials carry a story. Each pine branch, acorn, or cinnamon stick holds a texture and fragrance that no synthetic ornament can replicate. By using materials gathered from your backyard or local park, you infuse your holiday decor with organic beauty. The process itself, collecting, drying, and crafting, becomes a mindful activity that connects you to the rhythm of nature and the true spirit of the holidays. Pinecones are timeless symbols of winter and one of the easiest materials to transform into beautiful ornaments. You can dip them in white paint for a frosted look, add twine for rustic charm, or sprinkle them with eco-friendly glitter for sparkle. Hung from the tree or placed in a bowl, pinecones evoke the peacefulness of a woodland Christmas, creating a warm and cozy atmosphere that feels both elegant and homey. Jute or hemp twine can be shaped into stars, hearts, or snowflakes for a simple yet heartfelt ornament. By wrapping the twine around a wire or cardboard frame, you can create intricate shapes that embody the beauty of handmade imperfection. These rustic decorations pair perfectly with wooden beads or dried florals, adding a bohemian and organic feel to your Christmas tree or garland. things evoke holiday memories like the scent of cinnamon. Bundling a few cinnamon sticks together and tying them with a piece of twine creates a delightful ornament that looks and smells amazing. You can decorate these bundles with a small sprig of evergreen or a tiny bough. Whether hung on the tree or displayed in a decorative bowl, they fill your home with cozy, comforting warmth. Wooden discs sliced from fallen branches offer the perfect blank canvas for creativity. You can paint snowflakes, initials, or even tiny winter scenes on their smooth surfaces. For a minimalist look, leave the wood bare and simply burn designs using a wood-burning tool. Each ornament tells a personal story, celebrating the blend of craftsmanship and the beauty of natural textures. Mini wreaths made from evergreen sprigs, rosemary, or eucalyptus add freshness and texture to your holiday decor. Their subtle fragrance enhances the holiday mood, while their simplicity brings balance to more ornate decorations. Secure the sprigs in small circles with floral wire and add a touch of ribbon for color. These charming wreaths are perfect for both tree ornaments and gift toppers. If you love a soft, romantic touch, dried flowers are the perfect addition to your Christmas crafts. Lavender, baby's breath, or dried hydrangea petals can be arranged in clear ornaments or tied into delicate bundles. Their faded hues blend beautifully with neutral color palettes, bringing a touch of timeless beauty to your seasonal decor. It's a subtle reminder that nature's elegance never fades. Air-dry clay offers endless possibilities for creative expression. Press leaves, herbs, or lace into the surface before cutting out shapes like stars or trees. Once dried, the impressions reveal intricate natural patterns that feel both rustic and sophisticated. You can leave them white for a minimalist look or paint them with soft metallic tones for a modern yet earthy vibe. Acorns, with their charming caps and smooth surfaces, can be transformed into playful ornaments that bring a woodland story to life. Paint them in muted tones or dip them in gold for a touch of luxury. Group several together with twine or arrange them in clear baubles for a natural, enchanted forest effect that captures the childlike wonder of the holiday season. Reusing old fabric scraps, craft paper, or burlap adds a sustainable and sentimental layer to your decorating. Cut out stars, circles, or snowflakes, then embellish them with buttons, stitching, or beads. These ornaments are a reflection of resourcefulness, proof that beautiful holiday decor doesn't require new materials, only imagination and love. When decorating your tree or home, combine these handmade pieces for a cohesive look. The balance of wood, fabric, and greenery creates a calm and inviting aesthetic. Pair them with soft fairy lights and neutral tones for an understated elegance. This natural approach to decorating turns your space into a peaceful retreat that honors craftsmanship and the essence of the season. Handmade ornaments aren't just decorations, they're memories in the making. Whether crafted alone in quiet reflection or shared as a family activity, each piece carries emotional value. Every imperfection becomes part of its charm, reminding us that beauty is often found in the personal touches, not in perfection. These creations transform holiday decorating into an experience of connection and joy. This holiday season, let your home tell a story of creativity, warmth, and authenticity. Embrace the beauty of natural materials, and let handmade ornaments reflect your personal spirit. From pinecones to dried citrus, each detail captures the timeless essence of the season. At Decorasri, we believe true holiday decor comes from the heart, and when made by hand, it fills your space with love, peace, and the pure joy of Christmas.